How to stop random people texting you on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. From there, you can enable or disable iMessage, customize send and receive options, manage text message forwarding, and adjust notification settings. Here, scroll down and go to the Unknown Senders section. And then, turn on the Screen Unknown Senders switch as shown. This setting will hide notifications and more messages to the unknown senders list. Following these steps, you can easily stop random people texting you on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.